Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade chicken noodle soup using an easy method. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like carrots, celery, and a good quality chicken broth. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple approach ensures a comforting meal without any fuss, perfect for any day. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need to chop 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 medium onion. For the chicken, shred about 2 cups of cooked chicken, which you can prepare beforehand. Have 8 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of egg noodles ready. This preparation sets you up for success. Now let's build the flavor. In a large pot, sauté your chopped carrots, celery, and onion until they are slightly softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, pour in the 8 cups of chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes to meld all those wonderful tastes. For the final steps, add your 2 cups of shredded chicken to the simmering broth. Next, stir in the 1 cup of egg noodles. Let the soup cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and perhaps some fresh parsley for a bright finish. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.